As y'all can see, today I got the young guard with me. Trying to take him to the park so he can get tired so I can do this review. But the show must go on. You want to say anything, KJ? He said, check out his collection. You want to show your collection? 11s. Hey, KJ. Let's show them your collection. More 11s. FOAMPOSITEs. Want to show them the FOAMPOSITEs? Drop in your water. FOAMPOSITEs. More FOAMPOSITEs. Let's get to this Yeezy 500 review. C notes, young C notes, sneaker notes.
They call me notes, huh? I said they call me notes, huh? That's what they screaming at my shows, huh? Get a pen and take notes, huh? They call me notes, huh?
What's going on, family? Another episode of Sneaker Notes. As you can see, I had the young guard with me earlier. He wanted to show y'all his sneaker collection. He a young sneakerhead. I don't know why. But you already know, the Sneaker Notes, it's your boy C Notes. I'm here to give you all the info I know about the streetwear and the sneakers that's coming out. Today, we're here to talk about another pair of Yeezys. But this time, it's the 500s. If you recall a couple videos ago, well, a while back, I gave y'all the first look on the Desert Rat Yeezy 500s. But this week, we're here to talk about the Super Yellow Moon Yeezys. Yellow Moon, Moon Yellows, they got a whole bunch of names. But we're here to talk about that. But before we can get into that, you already know what we do at this channel. We got to see what's on foot. So after you like this video, after you subscribe, hopefully you already subscribed, I want you to go down in that comment section below and tell your boy, tell the sneaker community what you got on foot when you're viewing this video. Today, light day, like I told you, I'm with the young guard. We just in the park riding around. This is what I got on. How fitting, right? Those are the Yeezy FOAMPOSITEs. Those was the good old days. That's when Yeezy was rocking with Nike, man. He made a lot of iconic sneakers, and you really can't find nothing under $1,000 that Yeezy did with Nike, except probably these. You probably can get these under that $1,000 mark, but it's a dope shoe. They glow in the dark at the bottom. It's a good pair. FOAMPOSITEs done drop, but a pair like this don't never go nowhere. But without further ado, Yeezy 500 Yellow Moons. And off the bat, it's 10.5. So you already know what that means. They belong to me. So Starting with the box, nothing special. Just like your other Yeezy boxes. Yeezy 500 made by Adidas. Yeezy 500 made by Adidas. Big 500 on the front of the shoe. Look over one shoe at a time. This is the right side. Tag. Adidas Preem. That's the new thing. They trying to get away from the Boost and they going with Adidas Preem now. It's really nothing special about this shoe. They didn't change nothing from the original. Only the color. I mean, they calling it Yellow Moon, but I don't know how good the camera's doing it justice. It's not that yellow. It's more of a mint, if you ask me, a mint green. Let's get the other shoe out. Yeah, so I mean, basically the shoe is one color. They got that Yellow Moon accent all over the sneaker, even on the shoestring, even on the inside. So now if you get a good look at the sole, Yeezy. You know, Adidas put the size here. They're not like Nike. Get that to focus. 10.5. And your inside it says Adidas Yeezy Ortholite. Or Ortholite. So that's how your sole should look. I want to know your opinion on these sneakers, man. In the comment section below, let me know if you slept or if you're thinking about copying, or what you think about this shoe in general. Me, out of a 10, yo, Ye came back, man. I was calling him Coon Ye. As far as the music, Ye came back strong with okay album, but this ain't enough to save his rating on this sneaker, man. I'm gonna go 5, man. 5 out of 10, man. I probably won't even be keeping these sneakers in my collection. I can't really see me wearing these. In the comment section below, let me know what y'all think about these. These are your super Yellow Moon Yeezy 500s. But you know what I want to do real quick? Let's compare them to the Desert Rats. These are your Desert Rats again. It's the 500 sign. Same logo, same everything. Let's get into it. Alright, so now here is your Desert Rats. Came out about 2 months ago. As you can see, I still didn't wear them. I don't know, man. I don't know if it's the texture or if it's the color, but I just haven't had time to just throw these on. So these are your Yellow Moons, and these are your Desert Rats. In that comment section below, let me know which one you think is better. Thinking about getting rid of both of them. As far as like a Yeezy, you always want to keep at least one colorway in your collection. So please help me out and let me know which ones y'all think I should let go, which ones you think I should hold down, and I might wear. But again, this is your Desert Rats, and these are the new ones that just came out, or slated to come out. Super Yellow Moon, both Yeezy 500s. Now, I got both pairs, the Yellow Moon and the Desert Rats, months ago. From what's this place called? Yeezy. Now I got both of these pairs, the Super Yellow Moons and the Desert Rats from Yeezy Supply. One thing I don't like about Yeezy Supply, they charge you $20 for shipping and a sneaker don't come to 10-12 days later. Any other site in the world, we're not even just talking about sneakers, we could be talking about Target. You pay $20 for shipping, that usually means next day, or at least 3 days. Yeezy supply charge you $20 for shipping, and the sneaker comes 10, 12 days later. And it's only coming from LA. Like, I don't get it, man. So, you know, shouts to Yeezy Supply, man. I have no problems. I go there, I get the sneaker. I ain't gotta wait in line. I ain't gotta worry about bots. I ain't gotta worry about my card declining. I ain't gotta worry about none of that. It's an easy transaction online. But the shipping sucks. $20 shipping for 12 days. Let me tell y'all something about C-Notes, man. If I'm about to buy something and the shipping is over $10, I don't even buy it. Why must I pay you to ship me something I brought? Let's think about that, man. You can call it cheap, you can call it whatever. This is how the rich stay richer, by being smart, man. I'm not paying more than $10 for you to ship me something I brought. Come on, man. Let's be real, man. It's 2018. But again, these are your Yellow Moon Yeezys. I'm giving them 5 out of 10. In that comment section below, let me know what y'all giving them. I don't know, man. You know I'm always gonna keep it real. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these. In that comment section below, let me know which one y'all think I should keep, the Desert Rat or the Yellow Moon. Also in that comment section below, I want to see what you want for today. Like I told you, I got on the Yeezy FOAMPOSITES. I wish Yeezy was still there, but he ain't. Whatever. I got them Cactus Jack Travis 4 reviews coming soon. I didn't do them because I looked on YouTube and I see about 50,000 reviews on them, so I'm gonna try to do mine a little different, a little better, more content, better content. Shout out to everybody out there with the review on them, though, but I'm gonna do them soon. As I said, I got the young guard with me, man. Get rich.